Good morning, everybody. I'm Mr. Brown, and welcome to week 5. We're going to be doing our video editing this week, and this week we're going to be doing a lyrics video. This is video 1. It's going to get you started. After you finish this, you can move forward in the rest of what we're going to be doing. And here's what we're going to be doing today. It's kind of the basic thing we've been doing. We're going to go ahead and create our folders. We're going to create a Premiere Pro project. We're going to import that video, and then we're going to create a sequence. And it's going to happen pretty quickly because I feel like you guys already basically know how to do this. So let's go ahead and go over to our computer. Let's get started. Here we are on my PC, and I'm going to go ahead and I've downloaded my video from Google Drive. It is in my if I can find it, it is in my downloads folder. It's not in my downloads folder anymore. Well, shoot. I'm going to have to download it again. Here we go. So I'm just going to right click and download. And hopefully it doesn't give y'all any trouble. And as soon as that gets done, which I think it is done, it is, I'm going to go ahead and drag that. I need to drag it over. But, of course, before I can drag it over, I need a week 5 folder. So let's go ahead and let's get started and create our folders that we're going to need for this week, and then we can get things really going. So back to the PC. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go new. I'm going to go video folder. I'm going to name this week 5 because we are in week 5. I'm going to double click on that. We need to create our media folder next, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to go new. I'm going to go folder, and I'm going to call this media. And I'm going to hit just enter after that. And now that I've got this open, I can come back to my my other downloads window, and here's my Smash Mouth All Star, and we're going to just drag this over to our media folder, just like that. And hopefully it's in there. Yes, we're good. Okay, so that part is done. We've created our folders, we've drag and dropped our media in there, and now it's time to go ahead and move into Premiere Pro. So let's head back over to the computer. We're going to come down to the Windows icon. We're going to click on Premiere Pro. It's going to open up for us. What we need to do is create our project and then work on creating our, getting our stuff imported and creating our sequence. So I'm going to go New Project. And of course it gives us the new project pop-up. I'm going to call this All-Star Lyrics. Perfect. And I want to save it to the right place. So here we go. Users, William Brown, videos, week 4. That's not where I want it. This is week 5. So I'm going to click Browse. And I'm going to come to this PC, videos, week 5. And I want it to save here in my week 5 folder. So it should say this PC videos week 5. Do not, and I mean do not double click on that media folder. A bunch of you keep doing this. Don't do that. Stop. Just put it in the week 5 folder for me, okay? Just put it in the week 5 folder. And so I'm going to hit select folder. Here it should say users, your student ID, videos, week 5. That's how you know you did it right. And I'm going to hit OK. Bam, here we go. It pops up. I'm going to go ahead and come over to editing or assembly if you like assembly better. And I'm going to come back over to my media, my Windows folder. And I'm going to, I'm in the right place. Here's my video. I'm going to just drag and drop it. Now, I'm on the assembly tab. If yours doesn't look like that, you're probably on the editing tab, and so we can come over here to editing. Just make sure whatever tab you're on, it's going into the projects bin. So I'm going to drop it right there. And now I have added my Smash Mouth video to my Premiere Pro project. One step left, one step left. All we need to do is to create a sequence for this, and this week we're doing it the easy way. So come back on over with me. Just click, hold, drag it over to your timeline, and drop it. And there we go. I do want to, for the sake of organization, I do want to change the name of our sequence. So let's do that really quickly. So I'm going to right-click on the sequence, and if yours looks like this, that's cool. Just make sure it's not the video with the audio icon, but it's the sequence icon. I'm going to right-click on it. And I'm going to go to rename, which I couldn't find for a while, but is right here, rename. and I'm going to call it All Star Lyrics. And bam. All right, so from here, you guys are done for video 1. That should get you on your way and ready to do what you need to do in video 2. So I'm going to sign off, and then we'll start with video 2 in the next section. So if you get done with this in one class period, go ahead and jump over to video 2. Just keep rocking and rolling until you get it done. All right.